What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, Alchemic Power, where we're bringing the power to you. Now, I'm your host, Handy Andy, and today on this episode, we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be chipping up some tile that's being glued down to a concrete floor. So, we're going to start by going over the tools required to do this, and then we'll just throw it on a time lapse of me getting after it. Most important tool, hammer drill. I have one that's plugged into 120 volt. There's many nice chipping hammer drills, bigger and nicer than this, that are battery operated, so those are worth looking into as well. The main thing that we need here is the function on the hammer drill. Drill, hammer and drill, just spin, and then this is the function we're looking for. Hammer only, so that means it just chips. So it doesn't spin, it just hammers. We have our nice hammer drill, our bits we're going to be using. Hopefully this one will do the trick for the most part. Flat, very nice. So it's an SDS style bit. It's the style of bit that fits in my hammer drill. There's bigger styles as well. So this is our one bit. This is a second bit. We'll see how that goes. And then finally, we have our chipping bit that I hope to not have to use. Before we get going, lube, do a little bit, boom. Then we'll throw it in the hammer drill, move that around a bit. I don't know if it's necessary, boom. A little dab in the end of the drill. Keep the hammer drill happy, keep the life of the tool happy. I think we're good to go to start. Please make sure to like, subscribe, share, and ring the bell. We would really appreciate it here at Alchemic Power so we can bring you more of this enlightening content. I almost forgot. Arguably the most important part of the job. Personal protective equipment. Hearing aid, very important for chipping. Gloves, respirator. We don't want to be breathing in the dust and debris that we're chipping up. Don't mind that I have a beard. It'll do good enough for what I want. Steel toe boots. When using power tools with cords, plug in the cord, boom, together, right? Now, give it a loop. Boom. There you go. I always like to do this so then when you're pulling on it and not looking, you're not going to unplug yourself and or put damage on the cord end. It'll just go into this knot here, just tighten, doesn't matter. And then boom, when you're done, undo that. Good to go. Let's get it.
All right, let's get into the details of this job. So this is about a 350, 400 square foot patch of tiles. And, you know, most electricians would just walk right past this. But if you've got the tools and you're already on site, this is an extra $1,500 to $2,000 job. This isn't complicated. Demo hammer, some time, and just keep moving. Realistically, this job worked out to about a full day, including travel time. Here's how the numbers actually break down. Labor, about $750. Equipment, call it $150 to $200. It's kind of on the high side. Disposal, another $200 to $300. So just to remove the tile, we're at around $1,200. Yeah, I'm a Canadian here, so this is all in Canadian dollars. So keep that in mind for people in another country. But this is where guys underquote. You still need to clean the slab, get the thin set off, prep it properly. That's another $1 to $2 per square foot. So now you're realistically sitting around $1,700 to $1,900. And before we even started, we tested for asbestos. That's the number one thing on any demo job is make sure there's no asbestos or test for it. So that cost adds another about, call it $300, because if it comes back positive, you're not touching it. So the whole point is this. You're already here. You're already mobilized. You already have the client's trust. So instead of bringing another trade, you just take it on. This is the kind of work most guys ignore. But if you've got the tools, this is easy money. look around your job site. There's always more work there than you think.
Thanks for watching, and we'll get back to you next time. Peace.